Okay, next I'm going to demonstrate to you how we're going to cut, alright, the slot for the tube using this machine here, which is a bench drill, which we have a what I call a hole saw being attached, and also make use of this wooden jig, which help to clamp the workpiece. And how we're going to do it is that we have to insert, alright, your workpiece like this through the grooves of the jig. Alright, you try to insert, all the way through the entire material. Okay, try to align such that, alright, there's a drill bit attached, alright, at the bottom of the hole saw. Alright, try to attach such that the drill bit just, is above the marking of the center of the circle, right? So you just align it nicely. Then what you're going to do, then you just lift it up. And I'm going to demonstrate. Make sure you wear your safety goggles. And what we're going to demonstrate how to turn on the switch of the bench drill. So you're going to use our hand and flip the switch up. Then what you do is roll down the handle slowly, gently. Alright. Move it slowly, up down motion. Slowly up down motion 3 times until you can see the whole entire material being removed. And off.
Okay, pull up.